What's up, YouTube? Yo, what's up, guys? Okay. Alright, guys, what's going on? Today, we're going to be talking about... Wait for it. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. Photo walks, we already do that. I'm not talking about your typical, go to the city or, a specific location. I'm talking about just getting out of your house and walking down the street and taking some pictures. That sounds kind of unprofessional maybe, or maybe you live in an area where you think it's boring or there's no one in town or it's a small town, but I'm gonna show you today, even if you live in the most boring town ever, you can still get some good pictures. But first, if you guys want to see more of these tutorials, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications as well too if you want to keep on getting these videos and keep on getting the tutorials. Let's get out there, go take some pictures. Time to head out. It's starting to rain. Did not plan on that. I'll be back with you guys in just a second. Alright, it started raining out there, so that was not according to plan, but I think you guys get the point. There's photos everywhere, you just walk out your door, and I have a lot of examples on my Instagram as well too of just photos I've taken in my neighborhood. I would probably say something pretty important is that you probably would want to have people with you, but even if you don't, you can do self-portraits, and I even have a video on self-portraits just in case you haven't seen that or you don't feel like going to that video. Every camera these days have an app. This camera has something called, let me look it up one second, Camera Connect. It's for Canon cameras. I've already explained that in the video, but basically you can get a live view of what your camera is doing, and you can control it and everything, and do a timer or whatever. So yeah, comment down below if you want to see me edit those photos that I took today. I'm also going to be posting a lot more on my Instagram in terms of video content. My Instagram is @itstrevorstone, just like everything else, Twitter, Twitch, YouTube. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Like, comment, and subscribe, all that good shit. If you don't like the video, comment down below, let me know what I could have done better, and I'll do it in the next one. See you guys.